Yeah, good afternoon. It's me once again, Mr. Femi Ainde. And I'm still presently at Otu, and the work is still ongoing. I want to briefly show you some section of what is still going on here. As you can see from my back here, that is a little fish pond that we're putting together for the farm. And right now you can see, so don't just think we are into pig alone. Is beyond the pig thing. So we deal with agric business, whatever it is that you want to go into in agriculture, whether be it poultry, piggery, fish farming, rabbitry, goatry, whatever it is, you can always contact us. But the truth is, we do much more into the piggery thing because that's where my love really is at the moment. But as you can see from here, yeah, this one is really that's trying to put water into the one of the ponds, which we just finished constructing. And as you can see, the work is still going on. Yes, this is some of the cement. You can see over there the workers. So that's exactly what is actually going on in air right now. And um, whichever way, whichever thing that you want us to do for you, you can always contact us on our Facebook page, or you can call me directly on 070 333 You can see the feed mill is still almost at the finished stage. We are just doing the plastering now, almost done with the plastering of the wall round. And as you can see, it's a very big one. And this is to serve the Asaba pig farmers in so many ways, because we'll be making enough pig feed here that we supply all the Asaba pig farmer, because I discovered that they they only feed their animals with just cassava peels and the rest of that. But you can see what we put together here. Yeah, this is a machine that I showed you the other time, and that's the chain that is going to power it over here. And a lot is being put in place all together by Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited. And you know, you could also contact us for something like this anytime, any day, and we will definitely deliver to you. But this is just to show you the little thing you can see. Yeah, we've actually stocked some of the animals, and more are still on the way. But presently, right now, that's just the work which is going on in Otulu here, and so much more. Uh, and there's still other sites that we are. This is just the little place for the piggery. This is the feed which we mixed yesterday, which I taught them how to mix the various ingredients together to make the pig feed. As you can see, this has maize, it has PKC, it has soya, it has wheat over, it has all other ingredients with micronutrients. And you can see this is some of the stock, and we are still working work in progress here, because we still have other side which I will take you to, which the work will start by this week also. The work will start by this week. This is the cement, and these are other raw materials, PKC. And I'm always here at your service anytime, any day at Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited. What we are here for is to help you set up your farm with a proper standard, and uh, we are pocket friendly. Let me put it that way. We work according to your budgets, because we have different types of house design for pig farm, for poultry, for everything. But once you contact us, we always try our best to work with you according to your budget. So don't think maybe because you don't have enough capital now, you can't patronize us. You can always patronize us either by monitoring your project for you, or either by taking it up from the beginning till the end, or either by consulting, just to pay for our consultation to help you monitor the production, the construction, and everything. So that is what we stand for at Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited. Right now, let me quickly take you to the other side. That is where we are going to have our farrowing pen. And I just did the design and I put it on my status, and a lot of people have been asking me, wow, what's this, what's that, this and that. I told them, I said it is the farrowing and gestational pen which we are about to construct in Otulu, and that is where I'm taking you guys to now, so that you will know that this is really a serious business. I'm gonna take you there. Then from there, I will now go to the poultry section, so that you'll be able to see all the birds are already there. They are doing well, and in a couple of weeks they will start laying, because they are just having their final growers mash to take, because some of them, we've had about 5 or 6 that started laying. So from next week, how they will start eating layer smash, which will boost their their capability on that. So yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. You can see that I'm getting out of this cape now, and I'm going elsewhere. Yes, this old land that you are seeing, yes, you can see it. I believe you can see that corner piece, and they've started moving the block already. And by the grace of God, we will start the construction this week, or hopefully towards the end of this week. That's when we'll start on our way down. Say hi to my people, say hi to them, say hi to them, say hello. Yeah, those are you can see they are busy working, and you can see towards that end and to this end, this is where we're going to have a farrow pen. The pens that is mainly for the farrowing pen. That's for the sow and their piglets. That's what we have here. So it's going to be a very big one. It's going to occupy a 150 feet by 100. That's what we are working on in here. So that's to tell you how long it's going to be here, right here. So this is what we are working on next. And as time goes on, I'll be updating you, my people on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, and every other places. So if you love the little experience and the little knowledge that I've shared with you, you can always click a like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So before ending this video, let me quickly take you back to the inside, where you will see the poultry section, so that you not just think it is just about pig alone. We do other things too. It's just that, the pig is always the number one thing that they know Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited with. So let me quickly show you guys. Like you see, this is the deep litter from here. As you can see, this is a deep litter. This is the deep litter. I'm trying to close the door so that the chicken will not have a way to escape. So as you can see, from here down there, this is a deep litter. I'm gonna take you to the cage now, because we have some that are already on the cage. So as you can see, we are using animal care feeds, because we are yet to start making our own feed. By the time we finish with the feed mill now for all these projects, we'll be using our home feed, our home formulated feed. Yeah. So And from this angle end, as you can see, this was the poultry section. Yeah, I think that's all I can show you today. And by the time we continue with the progress of the work, I will be sharing it with us. So for now, I remain yours sincerely, Mr. Femi Ayinde Owolabi, aka Mr. Morak, the MD CEO of Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited. And you care to know what we do? We construct, we consult, we set up farm, and we stock, we manage, and anything that is related to agribusiness, you can always count on us anytime, any day. For further inquiry, you can always call us on 070-333-88586 or 08154-177-316. And you can go to Facebook to search for Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited and like our page. Then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube button. God bless you. I remain yours faithfully.